Did you and your significant other purchase property together and now you're breaking up? Here are 3 tips that you need to know to protect your assets. Number 1, unless you and your significant other already have all the details worked out in writing, you're going to need to work it out with them to make sure you know who gets what, how much each person's going to get, and when it's going to be done. If you don't have this agreement in writing, you're going to need to work with that person to make sure that your assets are protected. Number 2, if you and your significant other just can't make it work, it's really in your best interest to try. You're going to need to hire an attorney, and if you can't work it out outside of court, you will have to use the court system in order to get out of this property. And that is a lengthy and very expensive process. And number 3, if you've already bought property with a significant other, it's not too late. You can get a cohabitation agreement that outlines your relationship with your significant other, especially as it relates to this property. Who's responsible for what? Who's going to be reimbursed for what? You can take care of this now before it's too late. We get it. Breaking up is really tough. If you need to get out of property or you need to get your significant other out of the property, give us a call. We're here to help.